Fáilte go Bunchúrsa Gaeilge. Welcome to Introductory Irish. Ceacht a ceathair, Lesson 4, Ceacht a ceathair. Today we're going to look at na mochuchain, the feelings or the emotions. And we'll also look at sláinte agus tinnias. Health and sickness, sláinte agus tinnias. So, na mochuchain, the feelings or the emotions. In Irish, your feelings, your emotions be on you. So, orm I would use at the end of the sentence. So, tá ahas orm, I'm happy. Tá ahas orm, I'm happy. To ask the question of somebody, and will ahas ort, are you happy? And will ahas ort, are you happy? Tá ahas orm, níl ahas orm. So orm, just remember the emotions be on you. And will bron ort, are you sad? And will bron ort. Tá bron orm, or níl bron orm. If you're asking somebody what's the matter with them, what's wrong, in Irish you'll say, could you to ort? Could you to ort? What's wrong with you? What's the matter? Could you to ort? Tá acras orm, I'm hungry. Tá acras orm. Tá tart orm, I'm thirsty. Tá tart orm. Tá tuirse orm, I'm tired. Tá tuirse orm. Tá tuirse orm. If you're angry, tá fearig orm. Tá fearig orm. Fearig is anger. Tá fearig orm. I'm angry. If you're surprised, tá iontas orm. Tá iontas orm. I'm surprised. Tá iontas orm. If you're worried, tá imní orm. Tá imní orm. I'm worried. Tá imní orm. If you're disappointed, tá díama orm. Díama. Tá díama orm. I'm disappointed. Tá brád orm. I'm proud. Tá brád orm. And if you're embarrassed, tá naire orm. Tá naire orm. I'm embarrassed. Tá naire orm. If you want to say you're scared, tá ugla orm. Tá ugla orm. I'm scared. Tá ugla orm. Now, in Irish, if you want to sort of intensify the feeling, then you can say an dóin after the emotion. And it works better with some than others. I'll give you some examples now. An dóin is basically the world, the earth. So you're literally saying, if we look at ugla, which we've just done, I'm scared, tá ugla orm. If I said tá ugla an dóin orm, so tá ugla orm is I'm scared. Tá ugla an dóin orm intensifies it, so it means petrified. Not just scared, I'm really scared and petrified. Tá ugla an dóin orm. So as I said, it works better with some than others. I'll give you some examples. Tá iontas orm, I'm surprised. Tá iontas orm. Tá iontas an dóin orm. Tá iontas an dóin orm. Really surprised. Tá iontas an dóin orm. We've met tá ugla orm. Tá ugla an dóin orm. Petrified. Tá naire orm, I'm embarrassed. Tá naire orm. But if you say tá naire an dóin orm, you're really embarrassed, you're skundered. Tá naire an dóin orm. It works with acras as well. Tá acras an dóin orm, starving. Tá tuirse an dóin orm, I'm exhausted. And dawn, just as an intensifier. So sláinte agus tinnias, health and sickness hen. Tinnias, sickness. We know sláinte when we're having a drink and you say to somebody, sláinte, which basically just, saying good health to you. Sláinte is health. So we met before, could you eat the art? What's wrong with you? What's the matter? Could you eat the art? Another way of saying it, an bhfuil tú chin, are you sick? An bhfuil tú chin, an bhfuil tú chin, are you sick? So you could say, tá cinnias orm, I am sick. Tá cinnias orm, tá cinnias orm. If you have a cold, tá sláidan orm, tá sláidan orm. I have a cold, tá sláidan orm. Maybe you're not sick. Maybe you just haven't put your makeup on that day. Níl my chin. Buíochas le dia. Thanks be to God. Tá cinnias cin orm. I've got a headache. Tá cinnias cin orm. Tá cinnias fiacala orm. I have toothache. Tá cinnias fiacala orm. If you have a pain somewhere, tá pain in my walleg. I have a pain in my belly, pain in my stomach. Tá pain in my walleg. Tá pain in my walleg. I have a pain in my belly. Tá pain in my rim, pain in my back. Tá pain in my rim. Tá pain in my rim. Tá pain in my chun. My chun is my head. Tá pain in my chun. I have a pain in my head. If you want to say that you've hurt something, lorty me, lorty me, lorty me má lau. I hurt my hand. Lorty me má lau. Lorty me má chos. I hurt my foot. Lorty me má chos. Má chos is my foot. Lorty me má chos. Lorty me má luan. I hurt my knee. Lorty me má luan. My knee, má luan. Lorty me má luan. I hurt my knee. If you want to say you've broken something, Rish me má lau. Broke my hand, broke my arm. Rish me má lau. Rish me má chos. Broke my foot and my leg. Rish me má chos. Rish me má chos. So sin ceacht a cheathair. We've met our emotions, our feelings, and we have to just remember that they're always on us in Irish. Tá tuirse orm, tá ahas orm, tá naira and dóin orm. The same with sickness, it'll be on you, tá sláidan orm. So remember that your emotions and your illnesses generally will be on you in Irish. So sin ceacht a ceathair, na maithúchain, the feelings, the emotions, agus cinnias, sickness. Mai sibh agus tíofaí me sibh I gceacht a cuid. I'll see you in lesson 5. Slán go fóill.